Hi, I'm Binz. I'm the Homescholar, and my mission is to help parents homeschool from middle school all the way through high school graduation. And that's where this book comes in. This is senior year, step by step. It's going to talk you through the process of 12th grade so you know exactly what you're doing. I know everybody starts senior year at a different place. There are those that are super organized, and then there are those that really didn't even think it through for the first, 11 years of school. This book is going to help you no matter which one you are. It really is a little bit geared to college-bound kids, but not exclusively. And you'll find that this is going to be really helpful as you plan your 12th grade. This is one of my coffee break books, which means it's a very small, easy to read book, very specific, not exhaustive, easy to digest, so small you can fit it in your purse, right? So easy to read that it has nice big font. No matter what else is going on in your life, even if you're crying your way through it, you'll still be successful reading it because the font is easy to read. So please check out the description. Make sure you read the reviews from other parents. And after you've read it, if you would come back and leave a review for me on Amazon, I would really appreciate that. For authors, there's nothing more important than getting an Amazon review. I look forward to hearing your great success and serving you in the future as you homeschool through high school. Have a great day.